Okay, सब लोग ready है? We are ready? Okay, sir. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining us. It's really glad to have you on our first LeoCast Unscripted, and we are very happy to have you. Leo Anand.
It's my privilege to be a part of the first very virtual platform, first very much, what do you call Leo?
Unscripted. LeoCast
That's the
Unscripted.
first episode to be a part of. Thank you so much.
so much. I think so. Before starting, I would like to know how do you want me to address you? Like Anandji bolu, Leo Anand bolu,
Anji! Yeah, you can call me Andy, man. Like everyone calls
Andy-
me
Andy will be fine with
Andy,
it.
Anand, like whatever you are comfortable with.
No, actually it's Leo, so it's up to you.
You can call me Andy.
Okay, that's great. So Andy,
Yeah.
I think so. Let's just start with the first question. I'm going to fire you with some serious questions, some sad questions.
Now you are scaring me.
It's going to be like late. I'm telling you. Okay.
Wait for me or for you?
I think so for all of us. So okay, my first question is to you. Is आपको सब जानते हैं, like न्यूज़ में भी जानते हैं, बाहर भी जानते हैं, but no one knows you about inside out totally. Like who is really Anand Deshmukh? So tell me about your little bit of your background, how you started, like everything.
I'm glad to know that everyone knows me firstly. Secondly, I'm little doubtful that everyone doesn't know me. Like I am as well as an open book for everyone. I'm flooded with social media and I've been very much active in social media precisely this year. So what do you know? I mean, how do I tell you? So you want to know something about my personal life or what? Like what? In general, what?
Yeah,
Who is
everything,
Anand?
everything.
बताओ हमारे धंधे के बारे में क्या जानते हो तुम?
Yeah,
Who is
everything,
Anand?
everything.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Who is
everything. Like how it, like schooling. How was the schooling?
Yes. I'm born and brought from Panvel and I have been, this is where I've been here for last 15 years and I did my schooling from Panvel only and I love sports, I love, guides, I love partying of course, you all know that. And I love to make new friends. I recently started liking traveling a lot. Last year only I've been to Europe for a couple of countries.
Oh, Europe.
Yeah,
Where in Europe?
I've been to Budapest, Prague, and Porto. Yeah,
That's amazing.
yeah, that's something which I've recently kind of got a new interest.
Yeah.
But despite I'm planning for one short trip to somewhere in North India. Let's see in the month of December.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, this is what I am basically.
Like a full chill person. Like everyone wants to hang out with him.
Yeah, chill, come emotional, come like everything, a package of everything.
Okay, that's great. Like we have seen the enthusiasm and your dazzling nature and spirit. Okay, we have seen a lot. Like in the council meet, in any kind of meeting or a DP visit also. Or a DP visit also. So, but I want to know your about like personal life is same as the Leo life or is it different? Like what about your personal life? There is a
Yeah, it's a very interesting question, but that shows that you really don't know me but I can't be.
I think so, except to me, there are many people who don't know. So I think so.
I guess, yeah,
Great
good
one.
that you, highlighted me that people don't know me yet. Then I would rather say like this. But, answering to your question, I can't be, I can't put myself, into someone else and pretend to be something else. I just can't be fake or. I'm, a very gouty man. I'm a proper Maharashtrian person. I just can't pretend to be someone else. I am very blunt. I'm very emotional. I'm very happening. I love partying. I love to be as pure as possible and expect the same thing from the opposite person. And so all in all, the answer to your question is that it's not difficult for me to be what I am now. That's how I've been That's how I am, and that's how I'm gonna be.
Okay. But I'm gonna ask this question to you. Like, कभी ऐसा होता है कि like अबे यार ये कंपनी बहुत ज़्यादा चलो पार्टी करना है, ऐसा हो ही जाता होगा एक टाइम पे?
नहीं तो after every meeting I end up partying, so I never. It's a rule. Like whoever knows me, everyone knows. After every Leo event, I go out for party. You can ask your president. She's been there with me for one party. You can ask her about House of Lords, and we were crazy. Like, we had a good time.
Okay, that's great. Okay, चलिए, काफी अच्छे जवाब दे रहे हैं वैसे आप।
Is it?
ये तो मानना पड़ेगा मुझे, है ना? मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कितने फायर वाले आंसर्स आएंगे मेरे पास।
It's a lead for you then.
Yeah, totally. ये तो हो गई बात थोड़ा सा आपकी वाली।
Yeah.
अब आते हैं थोड़ी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में। प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में कैसा चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है?
Of course.
ठीक है ना? So while seeing your personality, like लिटरली ऐसा देख के लगता है यार ये कहाँ ये बैंकिंग वगैरह केस में आ गया है?
That I often question myself.
या लाइक इसको तो कहीं कुछ मॉडलिंग या कुछ ऐसा वैसे उसमें फील्ड में होना चाहिए।
मॉर्निंग मत बोल बे, बाल नहीं बचे हुए
नहीं,
हैं।
यार,
Morning.
बाल यार, क्या बाल?
I never thought of that part.
So like, how did you end up in like banking sector? Is there any funny story about it? Like how?
It's very funny. I mean, I was returning one fine day from my college to home, and I was walking from station to.
From which college you studied?
I did my graduation in BSc in Physics.
BSc
From
in Physics?
yeah, from
Okay.
SIS side.
Okay, that's a good college, by the way. Reputed college, nice.
Yeah, it's so I was returning from there, and my dad was after me that you should. I was in my last year actually, and I guess it's like good 8-year-old story. Yeah, I don't look that old, but I am. So
Can you just give us a short glimpse about that 8-year story, how you started and how you like?
yeah, that's it. So I was returning, and then there was one guy. He was from ICICI Peru, and he wanted people, young graduates or soon to be graduate. He wanted to be on board. He wanted to take us on board for insurance selling and all that. So I was a financial consultant for ICICI Prudential Life.
Okay.
I was doing my internship, and that's how I got interest in insurance, precisely life insurance, and then fortunately I got my first job in HDFC Life in precisely 9th April 2014.
Oh, you remember the date also?
It's
That's
my
good.
first-
I can see you're good with numbers.
Yeah, no, I'm not good with numbers, but it's my first job, so.
Okay.
So
Memorable.
yeah. Then eventually I continued my career in insurance industry. After that I've changed like good 3 companies and I'm back to HDFC Life. So more or like दिखा था I guess. खुदा ने दिखा होगा like I am into insurance. But it's not that I am planning to continue. I am planning something else also.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Would you
let's
like
see.
to share that thing?
I'm planning
The
to
people.
open. Yeah, I'm planning to open a new venture of my own. It's high
It's
time.
a startup kind of?
Yeah, you can say so. We all youngs, we should all experiment. We should fail. We should keep trying. But the country, like I've recently gone through, an interview of
Manish Sisodia.
Manish Sisodia, that's it. So I got very inspired by his interview. He said that the country, the youngsters of the country who aims for a job, that country can never ever get developed. That country should forget thinking of calling themselves as a developed country because that country is aspiring for a job and not aspiring for an entrepreneur. And I got very much inspired by that.
So that was some wise words.
Yeah,
Wise
I don't know.
words
For
from
me,
a
it was something which was दिल को छूना या kick देना बोलते ना. That was something like
यार
that.
ये तो दिल में लगती है।
No, in fact, I had started my own hotel also.
Okay, where?
Yeah, so in Sion only along with my college partner.
Just tell the audience. Like
Yeah.
I think so they're going to love it.
Yeah, I started my college. Started my first business when I was just 22, and my parents were also not knowing about that. The day I opened my hotel, that day only I told my mom that I'm starting a hotel, and they were like,
What was
"No."
their reactions?
Yeah, so literally, I'm leaving from my office. I told her you have to come in the evening at Sion. I'm opening my new hotel, and my dad was like, "What?" We're like, you heard it right? So he's like, what? And we're like, yeah, you heard it right. I opened a new hotel. So yeah, so I started and I continued for like good 9 months, but I learned. I wouldn't say I failed.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'm again exploring a lot many avenues, but now I'm being very much calculative with respect to risk, with respect to its growth, with respect to its journey. So that time मेरा 22 साल का था, थोड़ा पैसा कमा लिया था,
गरम खून था,
गरम खून तो अभी भी है, पर तब के मतलब I just wanted to get into business. I didn't want to work under someone. And then eventually I tried and then I learned. And then I haven't given up yet. And that's how it is. So this is what I am with respect to my professional plan.
Okay, so would you like to give like to young Leos and non-Leos like this advice like ये जो आपने अभी बोला ना मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा ये बात कि calculated risk लेना बहुत important
Yeah, I mean
बहुत ज़्यादा important
more than that I would say keep trying. We are fortunate that we belong to a very good family. We don't have that kind of a burden that we have to look after our parents or anything of that sort. We are financially independent now. I'm calling myself as that. And we deserve to party. We deserve to take our own responsibility. So it has to be balanced in every sense. So that's how you should give a try in every sense. Be it with respect to career or be it with respect to your love life also for that matter.
अब आते हैं मेन सवाल पे ठीक है अब आते हैं मेन सवाल पे ठीक है like how you ended and like started with the Leoism and like किसने मोटिवेट किया कैसे हुआ क्या एक्सपीरियंस थे क्या फनी पार्ट थे है ना एंड लाइक मेरा ये भी सवाल है कि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया लाइक लियो में बैठे बाकी दूसरे क्लब का कभी क्यों नहीं सोचा कि इतना खास आपको इतना अटैच क्यों करके रखना है
ऐसे दूसरा क्लब में
दूसरे क्लब में ऐसे जाने का क्यों नहीं सोचा लाइक ऐसे बहुत सारे सोशल क्लब्स हैं एंड ऐसा होता है कि यार मैंने ये क्लब
I love your question.
लाइक कि बहुत सारे क्लब्स हैं मेरे को इसको भी एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए एंड लाइक ये भी हो गया तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्या था स्टार्ट हाउ वाज इट व्हाट यू फेस द हसल्स
I'll answer in so first part of your question is how did I land it?
Yeah, that will be
I landed. I guess I have answered this question previously. I am a Leo. I mean, even before me becoming a Leo, I was a cub of a Lion member.
Okay.
Parents have been a Lion member for last 32 years, even before me coming to this reality, this world.
Okay.
So, I mean, बचपन से देखते आए हो यार Lion. So it was there in my blood. So now it is like just for the matter of namesake getting on paper, I became a Leo, and that too when I was in 9th, way back in 2006.
Okay, it's been like 14 years. Like guys, can you imagine 14 years?
Yeah, so 30th June 2006 precisely I joined, and after that the rest is the history, and like. By God's grace, this journey is going to be even more beautiful after today, like in the days to come.
Okay.
But there's nothing as such motivation. Like my mom and dad were part of Lance and Leo. That's what just made me like let's get into that. And more importantly, it was like when I became a member. Leo Nisha here back then she was the president, and she's like, you are already so much active. Why don't you just be a Leo? I was like, okay, let's give a shot. I mean, I never thought of not becoming a Leo. I was like, okay, and that's how I landed up, and called myself officially as an alpha, Leo. And I was the youngest Leo back then because तभी इतने clubs भी इतना मतलब alphas को accept नहीं करते थे. At least that point of the time. And second part of your question is like, why didn't I got into some other club? So principally, I don't accept. Fundamentally, I don't know how to put that word. I don't accept, taking a transfer from one club to another club because of any reason. Because mera wajood, mera existence, I came to know because of a club. I can't get just because of certain benefit or just because of my, internal politics or fights or any stupid reason. I can't. Leave my club and get into some other club, which is very common these days, which wasn't common back then. If anyone asked me I strongly, oppose. Or if you ask me if I be an international president, and what is that first thing I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do stop the transfer opportunity for any member, unless that person moves up from one place to another job. I don't accept that.
Okay, so my next question is like, I think so this is too personal question. Let me ask
Is
you
it?
this one. Because this is your presidential year.
Yeah.
Like this year you have been elected as district president of 323182. So, and unfortunately it is a year of pandemic like corona. Okay. And so how according to you the things have changed in the linguistic year of yours and how you and your team is dealing with it?
Oh, interesting question.
And is there any changes in your personal life also due to this corona pandemic?
A lot.
Oh, I see. I want to hear that some of the stories.
Yeah, so as you know that my slogan is evolve with your pride.
Yeah.
When I was thinking of this slogan way back last year in November, December, I was thinking of coming up with breaking the stereotype functioning of typical linguistic year and coming up with something new, way out completely. And I guess things got manifested in such a way that everything has evolved in completely 360 degree. Like no one has ever executed annual district conference at a virtual platform. No one has
That
ever
was great. I have attended that. That was too good.
Thank you so much.
That was too good, well managed.
Thank you. Then no one has ever thought of conducting PCM installation at a virtual platform. No one has ever, at least whenever I say no one, I'm talking about our district. Whenever, in the past, we have never hosted any, hybrid kind of an event wherein it is going to be live as well as physical, as well as virtual, and that is what it is on 1st of November.
Okay.
And
How's your preparation going for that?
stay tuned, it's gonna be insane.
Okay, we are excited for that.
Yeah, you should be. And so things are pretty much evolving. Things are very difficult initially, it was very difficult. But I'm being fortunate enough, touch wood, that I've got such amazing executive council. I'm blessed with some great, super talented presidents. Because the district is not run by me. It is my team. It is the wonderful 24 now 2 new clubs, 26 club presidents, and things has got completely evolved in every sense, be it with respect to planning, be it with respect to execution of it, be it with respect to now people has saved a lot of money because less of physical event. So all in all, it has been very much challenging, but I'm happy that the way things have been moving so far. And at a personal front, yes, if I have to say one biggest important thing, that I'm saving money a lot because actually there is no expenses which are not
Do you want
important.
to specify such kind of expenses?
Outing, you can say outing. You can say
Party
outing.
already come हो गई अभी.
बंद ही हो गई ये
अरे
party.
वाह.
So not just party, but my office is at Mahalakshmi.
Okay, yeah.
I'm here in Panvel, and if you can see, it is good 45 kilometer one way. So I'm saving my money, I'm saving my time. I am doing lot many
Have you
extracurricular
explored
activities.
any new area of your life, like something extracurricular?
Yeah, I've started cycling.
Okay.
Yeah, I've started cycling. I'm not regular, but I cycle, yes. And apart from that, I've started reading books. I've just completed 1.5 book actually. Precisely. One is Secret, second is Atomic Habits. So that is
So would
something.
you like to recommend them?
I am not that great with respect to books, so I can't say I will recommend, but I can suggest you can think about these 2 books. I'm sure Secret every of you must have already read, and I'm very outdated with that. I've recently read that book, and Atomic Habits is something which I've started
Did
reading.
you feel any change by reading these books?
Probably my English must have got much better. So that is the only change I feel so far. And more or less at personal front, I've got time better than what it was before. I have started saving a lot. That's good. and I've started. I've also started saving. A lot of how do I say? Irrelevant expenses which I used to do.
Okay.
So yeah, so all in all, it's been good so far. Pandemic has not affected to that extent to me, but yes, emotionally a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was good one. So my question is to you, how's your relationship like?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Like,
Yeah.
How's it amazing?
It's always been amazing. I love myself.
Oh. Okay, this one is like getting weird now. Like he's giving me the face palm and I'm giving his like a hand.
So I just like it.
So
Yeah.
you don't want to reveal something.
Yeah, I'm
Like, are you
singing.
dating someone?
No, I'm singing. He's singing.
Okay, he's single. So any
No,
Any
I'm singing.
approach,
No. I'm happy the way I am right now.
but you never know, like you can get a good chance or like good girl.
You never know. I might be lying to you.
Okay. I think so. That's good. So like you're single.
I just answered.
I have done that. Okay, we accept that he's a single person.
Maybe
So,
not.
There is a
Maybe not.
Okay, behind the cameras, people. Okay. Let's move on to during the current scenario and with such negativity around. How do you see the world according to your perspective? Like this is a very important. Like, what's your perspective? Like so much negativity, right? Like many people are dying and there is a coronavirus pandemic and like people are losing their jobs and like they're like endless this time. So there's too much negativity around and like everyone has to be like positive in such time. So how do you take this thing and like what's your perspective?
It's a very interesting question actually. Things are very crazy out there. People are dying, people are getting COVID detected. My dad got COVID positive. In my life, never ever happened that my mom, dad are hospitalized. My brother is in Delhi. I'm alone. Like things are very difficult. Things was difficult. Things are a little difficult. But in general, I am a very optimist. If I can't be optimist, if I'm getting too much of negativity around me, I simply get detached with the things which makes me negative. And to be very frank, I get when I get too much scared or when I get too much, things when things make me too much negative, I do things which are not meant to be done, which I can't disclose here.
Okay.
But I'm sure people are understanding. So yeah.
Let me know after the meeting.
No, then so what we do while partying, I do with that whenever I feel a little low or something like that. So that makes me at least that keeps me neutral if not positive. So but yeah, so answering to main question is that or I would rather suggest that things were always like this even before. It's just that there's a new topic. There was never COVID before. There was a relationship, like people used to get broke up. There was fights. There was a lot of stress in our professional life. There was a lot of negative with respect to government plans and policies. There was negativity earlier too. It's just that the content or the subject was different. The subject nowadays is pandemic, and which is very much close to us, and because it is going to affect directly to us. So we simply get detached from the reality and enjoy the virtual reality.
Okay. I think so. That is a really good perspective. And what is your success mantra of being happy?
Of being happy. Oh, that is what I was wondering. I'm not yet successful, but of being happy.
But I'm asking there is some kind of mantra like everyone has there in life, someone do this, like they will be happy. If I got this much money I will be happy. Or like something like that. If I'm sad, I will do this and I will be feel like I'm happy.
So I don't know. I mean, it's a very interesting question. There is no mantra which I have identified yet. To be very frank, to be very happy or to be happy. But I feel things which makes you happy, you should keep continuing doing that. And success is not the destination; it's a journey. Like you should consider every milestone achievement as a success in its own way. And the mantra, I'm not that old to give you mantra, to be very frank, but I feel that keep up the things which makes you truly happy and can be which is defined as per the legality, of course, and which will make your parents happy. I find that is the only mantra. I don't know, I might start given something which is completely irrelevant, but I don't have any mantra as such, so I can't answer with that.
Okay. What are your plans in your presidency in 3231A2 for this year, as well as what are the goals in your personal life also? Like, what are you thinking like continuously and like you want to execute it?
So you're saying that with respect to like further
club also as well as in the personal life. I want to.
So that's all in the months to come, like.
Yeah. What are the plans like?
Yeah. So plans. There are a lot many plans which I have actually revealed in my calendar launch, but there are a lot of plans. We are gonna have New International Day celebrations. One of its kind event wherein last, I don't know, for at least 15 years District 3231A2 has never experienced that. I would rather say 323A2 has never experienced. 3231 तो यार 3 साल पुराना ही है. So we have got some crazy plan. You all will soon come to know. And of course, if government allows. Second is All India Meet is something which we are looking forward for, and that is two important events which I can say about the plans with respect to like incoming year for the current year in the incoming months. When it comes to personal goals, I'm thinking to get into my own startup in next 3 years. And in next 5 years, I'm thinking of getting married. And I don't have financial goals. I'm happy the way things are going. Because यार पैसे की भूख कभी मर ही नहीं जा सकती है. If you are millionaire, you want to be a millionaire.
Yeah, सही बात है.
Yeah, to be frank. So I'm happy the way things are going. It's just that I want to start something of my own, and I want to be successful in that. And I'm thinking of getting married in the next 5 years. That's
मेरे को job दे देना है.
You can send me a CV. Or else you can contact our DC for Career Accelerator, Leo Zil Jobal Putra.
Okay,
She'll
I'm
definitely
contacting like as soon as possible.
Zil, please help him.
Okay, so then do मेरा थोड़ा consideration specially कर लेना.
I will do that.
My last question. And like after that we will be having a really rapid fire.
I thought this is the rapid fire. Okay.
No. This is not the rapid fire. It's going to be a really crisp and fire. Full of fire. Like, what makes Leo different than other clubs, and why should non-Leos should join to our club, like Leo Club, or like any like 30 plus people who wants to join the.
I guess the spelling is different. Leo.
Leo.
And the others. You just said what is the difference between others and you, so the spelling is different. Okay, that was a very stupid joke.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. या हंस रे हलकट हंस.
But it was funny.
Leo, there are a lot many things. To begin with, we have a youth exchange program. Our presence is largest in any other youth organization. We don't focus primarily on service. We focus on leadership, which is extremely important. We being youngsters, and if you are into job, if you are into entrepreneurship, if you are in whatever field you are, Leo is going to be very helpful to you in every sense. So I don't compare Leo and other organizations, to be frank, but Leo is unique in itself, and I will definitely vouch for it at any given time. But that's how I can explain you how different and the best it is from the other organization. But it is definitely something worth to be part of. I will request each one of you who is not here as a Leo member, is watching us, someone who's not yet a Leo member, you should give a try at least for 6 months. Enroll into internship program. Trust me, it is going to be fun, and you are going to enjoy a lot of it. So that's why.
I think so. We are like everywhere. Like you can join to the nearest club.
Yeah.
also.
You
And just
name a
approach,
city.
or like you can visit to our official sites also.
Yeah. No, or you name a city, at least if not Leo, Lions are definitely there.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I think so. We should have a short break and like we will start with our rapid fire questions.
One debt to society later. Just then, by sheer coincidence.
So we are back with a short break, and I think so. Are you excited with the rapid fire?
Yeah, super excited and super nervous too.
Is this your first time?
No, actually, technically, third time, I guess. Third.
I hope so. This experience will be different for you, and the questions will be different for you. Okay.
I hope so too.
So brace yourself, and I expect some fire answers from you because भाई जवाब तो भाई तगड़े आने ही चाहिए. Yes.
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
The first question.
Yeah.
So this is a rapid fire round with Leo Anand Deshpande. So here we go. One superpower you wish to have.
To actually, why just one? I can have two, but
Okay. You can have infinite.
to be invisible and go into the shoots of porn stars, I guess.
Okay, that was too good. That was too good. Okay, get me entry.
I'll have to make you invisible for that.
Okay. Okay, I know it's your superpower. Okay, second question. What is your guilty pleasure?
It's a very bad actually question, because guilty pleasure is something to stay high whenever I'm happy, sad, or in mixed emotions probably. But that is the reality.
Okay. What is the strangest thing you have eaten?
So, I am ashamed of it actually. I had beef. Yeah.
If you were invisible, who would you spy on? Like if you want to spy on someone in Leo.
In Leo, I would actually spy on. Interesting question actually. I would spy on someone who. I won't go into that. I guess I'll spy on Dipesh, I guess.
Okay, Dipesh, watch out. Okay.
No, actually, I will spy on Radhika now. She's in London right now.
Oh,
I want to see what does she do. After I tell her, I'm invisible of London.
Like so, be aware about. Which song would you like to sing to best describe the following situation? So I'm going to give some situation to you.
But help me in that. I'm very bad in song actually.
Okay, I will try my best. Okay, so if you were stuck in a lift with one of your ex-girlfriends.
Ex-girlfriend. One of my ex-girlfriend. What do you mean by that? I'm just like kidding. Yeah. It's a very famous song. Isme tera gaana.
ज़्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो सह नहीं पाता भाई. If you were married to dream girl or a favorite actress or a real life partner,
Interesting.
which song would you like?
I know one song actually. Mere
Oh, that's such a great
I'm very bad. People come out of the screen.
If you wake up, if you were a brand in real life.
Brand like Shivaji the Boss. Brand, I don't know, man. I am brand in real life too, and in this current life too. You can go and ask anyone in Leoism about Anand Deshpande. They'll come. They'll tell you everything about it. So that makes me brand, right?
Okay. So
But I don't know, like the slogan you need to say. Like, what would be the slogan?
No, you have to sing a song.
Song where I'm not.
And if you just say a slogan also about yourself, that will be fine.
Don't do, just chill.
Just chill.
Chill,
Just
actually.
chill. Okay, that one is solved. Okay. The second thing is, who would you put on the cover? All the I will be giving some famous magazines name, and you have to put Leo's over there. Okay, on the front page.
Okay.
You have to name them. Okay. So Forbes magazine. Who do you think who will be in that magazine?
I think Shashank Maheshwari.
Shashank.
Yeah.
Right.
The man with cholera.
Okay. Men's health.
अरे अक्षय लाडगे आप मेरी
Oh भाई. इस तरह. Okay. Playboy.
Playboy, interesting question. यार Playboys होना चाहिए ना?
Boys. Okay. Boys to boys. List the.
I guess Niket Shah. Niket, I'm sorry by the way.
Okay. भाई चलो ठीक है. Okay. If a truth serum is given to the following people, what question you would ask them? Okay, I will be giving some famous personalities of
Leo.
Okay. Like in our 3 to 3
Yeah.
and you have to ask them a question.
Okay.
And they have given this truth serum. Radhika.
Oh, I'll ask her. What is she doing right now? Is she single right now?
Okay. Okay. Kunal.
Interesting move. Kunal, सच बता. Who was your ex-girlfriend?
भाई comment down कर दो अगर किसी को मालूम है तो. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ.
Comments आएगा, comment नहीं आएगा.
Like comment down.
चलो, comment down.
कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Anchit Agrawal.
अंचित सच बता. Oh, thank you by the way for your name. अंचित को तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछा, एक ही पूछ रहा था.
दो पूछ लो, अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
अंचित सच बता बेटा, तुझे MVP बनना था कि नहीं? बनना था तो तू क्यों नहीं बना? You didn't become because of भाभी or something else.
ओके, जवाब दे देना भाई. तो सबको मालूम पड़ना ही चाहिए सवाल का जवाब.
Everyone already know the answer. It's just that we want to hear it from him.
ओके, तो अभी आपसे जानना है. This will be
Okay.
संस्कृति.
अच्छा, one, two, अरे very important question. When are you gonna get married?
Okay. यहाँ पे सब देख रहे हैं कौन कब शादी कर रहा है. Okay. This will be my one. At a party, who would you think would be doing the following things? Okay, I will be listing some things and you have to tell them like कौन ये कर रहा है. Flirting.
I guess Niket only. I guess.
Okay, gossiping.
Lot many people. I can name Poojan, Harshika, at times Radhika too.
Too much gossips.
Too much gossip.
Like they are all India radio. Like उनको सबकी खबर होती है.
The gossip king and gossip queen of our district.
Okay. सबको किसी को stories और जानकारी चाहिए तो इनसे contact.
बस.
Looking in the mirror.
I guess Harshika only.
Okay, dancing on the table.
Anand himself.
I know, right, dude? That wasn't even a question. I myself, but I always dance on the table.
Like very okay. Searching for food and drinks. Like कोई ऐसा बंदा होता है ना पूरी पार्टी में खाना और ड्रिंक कहाँ है? कहाँ मिल रहा है?
Drink तो बहुत सारे. खाना definitely. Radhika is there.
She's a foodie mom.
Yeah. Akanksha, oh my god, खाना खाना चाहिए.
भाई खाना लाओ.
खाना लाओ. पार्टी में बाकी सब कुछ नहीं चलेगा, चल जाएगा. खाना चाहिए.
Okay. So this is another section of the rapid fire. React in one word.
Okay.
If you want to react in some more words also, it will be fun for us. So like first question goes like this. If you became India's president for one day, what will you do? President of India. We honor Deshmukh.
I'll legalize something which is illegal right now. Don't ask me what is that. I can't answer it on the video.
Okay, I will let you know after the talk.
Yeah. It's so the people who know me know what I'm talking about.
आप समझ लीजिए वो कॉमा में क्या है. Okay, if you would be a product, what would your tagline be?
Just answer, just chill.
Okay, just chill, but bros, just chill. Chill.
Chill, yeah.
One thing you want to change in Leoism.
I mean, benefit which allows you to transfer from one club to another.
Okay.
I'll completely stop if that comes in my in my power.
Okay.
I won't allow anyone to transfer from one club to another unless that club, that member shifts from one geography to another at least with a radius of 50 kilometers. That's it.
Okay.
Then you are a member of IPMC, you are staying in Panvel. If you can travel 25 kilometers down,
and it's worth it for me.
Yeah,
to travel. And it's enjoyable journey for
has to
me.
be.
Okay. One strangest rumor you ever heard about yourself?
Right now?
Like all over the time or like right now? Both, I would say.
That I'm dating someone.
That's the fun. I think so. We are continuously misunderstanding each other.
I know.
So, are you dating?
That's the rumor.
Okay. Okay, then the next question is one rumor you want to spread in Leo about yourself.
That I'm dating someone. Now bang on.
this was the background. Okay. तो मेरा next question ये है कि one rumor you want to spread in Leo about yourself.
About myself? That I'm dating someone. So what do you think? What do you want to kind of spread about yourself? You have asked me a lot many questions.
Like really want to know this.
Of course, I am excited to know about this.
Okay, I want to spread this rumor like I am the next district president of 321A2.
You can be by the way. You can be by the way. But hold on, we have Akshay Large over here. He's the district president for the incoming year. बेटा तेरा कट गया देख लेना.
छोटा आदमी गुंडा ही करना चाहता करने दो, मजा लेना चाहता मजा लेने दो, उसके मुंह लगोगे अपने बराबर बैठाओ अच्छा लगेगा.
Sorry. He will be like कि job छोड़ दूँ मैं. Sorry. Just okay. Nothing serious. You are the only next district president. Okay. So अभी थोड़ा और fun में आते हैं. Okay. अभी है ना, I will be giving you some name of some famous Hindi movies and some English movies.
Okay.
You have to convert them in your mother tongue. Like that is Marathi. Okay. So these are some famous movies. कुछ होता है in Marathi. What it be?
काही होतो.
No.
काहीतरी होतो.
No.
अरे कुछ मध्ये काहीतरी.
No.
If you can answer me, if you can help me.
कसं तरी होते.
अरे ठीक है, you are exactly replicating like you must have Googled it.
Yeah, I have done my homework.
It's okay, but you are like.
Machis.
That is really help me. Kadi peti.
Okay. वो कौन थी?
ती कौन होती?
Okay, that was right. Okay, I give you that 1 point. Gabbar is that.
गब्बर परतला.
Gabbar Parat Ala.
हाँ परत आला आणि परत is one.
Okay, I'm gonna tell some famous English movie. You have to translate into Marathi. Hollow Man.
पोकळा माणूस.
Pogla?
पोकळा.
Pogla manis?
पोकळा.
Okay, Pokod. Okay, Pokod manis. Sorry, he's right actually. He's right. Okay, Die Another Day. Die Another Day.
मर कधीतरी.
नंतर कधीतर मर. Okay. Gone with the Wind.
हवेसोबत गेला.
नाही असं काही नाही झालंय. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेला उडा.
गेला उडत. हा गेला.
सुपरमॅन.
अबे सुपरमॅनला काय असतं?
सुपरमॅन. मराठी.
सुपर माणूस.
No.
उत्कृष्ट माणूस.
No. You're too close by the way. Let me tell you.
रापचिक माणूस. अरे सुपर स्वाट.
लय भारी माणूस.
Oh. मारो मुझे.
मार जज्बात बदल गए. Okay, Scorpion King.
You answer that. Tata Mitsu.
By the way, I haven't answered any question. By the way, it's his answers.
Yeah,
Very smart.
It's my answer.
So, okay, so I think so. We are done with the rapid fire round.
Finally.
And,
Yeah, but I did a one.
yeah.
So very bad. Go.
Okay. I'm getting to you now.
Yeah, I was just kidding, by the way.
Okay. This is your hamper. Thanks from Leo Club of Navi Mumbai APMC.
Thank you.
The first Leo Cast unscripted hamper to Leo Anand Deshmukh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
You were phenomenal, by the way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
So, before ending this talk show, I will be asking 2 questions.
अभी भी नहीं हुआ क्वेश्चंस तेरे.
नहीं यार, मेरे क्वेश्चंस खत्म होती नहीं, मेरा यही प्रॉब्लम है ना, मेरा सवाल बहुत करता हूँ. तो जाते जाते बस 2 ही सवाल, ज़्यादा नहीं है. तो मेरा ये क्वेश्चन था कि पहली बात, how was your experience about talk show? Did you enjoy it a lot?
Yeah. So it's been a phenomenal experience so far, and I'm really enjoying. I'm gonna enjoy this also, and it's like a new club like Navi Mumbai APMC, which is I guess in the 2nd year of operational, and you guys are coming up with such beautiful initiatives to create your own, to leave your own mark and stand out differently. And compliments to you too, Ashish. You've been phenomenal. I guess even it's for you, it is a 2nd year, and the way you are been asking questions and the way you have made me a little uncomfortable, it's phenomenal. I'm glad that you guys came up with such a beautiful initiative, and compliments and best wishes to you for all the coming episodes. And I'm sure, and I pray to God that this episode goes viral. I become such a very famous along with you guys.
I think so. हम आपके थ्रू होने वाले हैं.
I don't know. It's always because of the class I am famous. Yeah.
चलो, ये तो आपकी क्या बोलना चाहिए, बड़प्पन है आपका. चलिए, my second question, like the last question is, like before ending the talk show, 3 things you want to share with the world, or like 3 messages, or like 3 ideas you want to share.
Ideas, so I'm not that creative. I'll just say I don't have 3 things, but I can say 2 important things. Rather, one important thing which will cover everything. Make sure you keep evolving with your pride.
Okay, that was great. Thank you, Anand Deshmukh. It was really nice.
It was glad to be part of this show. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ashish.
Thank you.
Thank you.